Backyard Revolution Review. Does it really work? Are you afraid of paying high electric bills that make you feel disgusted? Does this greedy energy producer make people pay heavy bills? Is it possible to supply electricity without wasting money on expensive equipment? Do not worry, yes, here is the solution for you called Backyard Revolution System. Zack Bennett can show you how to use a huge program easily to build your power plant in a few minutes. So, you do not need to hire a specialist or pay for huge solar collectors. It gives you the opportunity to save a lot of money from greedy energy companies in less than a month. Thereby, supports you save almost 85% of energy bills. With this Backyard Revolution application, you can get a list of tips and tricks to avoid device malfunction confidently. What is Backyard Revolution? Backyard Revolution System is a great program with many ideas about energy independence. This program shows you how to build your quiet main power station at less money. This device can use to prevent disasters, accident prevention, and drought control. Backyard power plants do everything you need to save comfort for yourself and your family. This is a beginner-friendly program that helps you step by step and turn on the light in 4 hours. You can reduce energy consumption almost immediately, without spending thousands of dollars. It's about creating a solar collector that looks like a zigzag to get 100% sunlight. It uses some tricks to access this innovative device every day. How does Backyard Revolution works? Essentially, this Backyard Revolution system contains cubes or miniature towers designed to stretch solar cells up in 3D configuration. According to the MIT report, this system can produce up to 20 times more energy than conventional solar modules with the same surface area. This is because it is something simple, a program that anyone can learn to create and use. And most importantly, it encourages the use of clean energy. The program designs with vertical surfaces so that it collects as much sunlight as possible in all time. This 3D system provides increasingly cheaper solar cells that gets cheaper every day. What will you learn from Backyard Revolution? In this program, you learn how to use this simple information to create a recovered electric generator without spending more time and money. You can even manage a remote desert and stop worrying about paying more for a network connection. It teaches how to build a device in less than an hour and the secret to getting 4 solar cells at a cheaper rate. This comes with complete drawings of color pictures and step-by-step instructions on how to make your own power source. Backyard Revolution program is simple and innovative, how you can avoid an energy monopoly to protect your family by creating energy in all situations. By using the program, you can learn how to reduce your electricity bills to 75% or more in less than 30 days and get 100% guaranteed results. Bonuses. Number 1, how to protect your homestead in case of an EMP guide. Number 2, alternative electric energy sources for your homestead. Number 3, how to build your energy stockpile guide. Pros. The program offers you 60 days of money refund policy for your satisfaction. It helps to reduce energy consumption from the first day itself. Backyard Revolution system works everywhere, even if it is cloudy. This program provides power to everything like small radios, refrigerators, computers, and more. The device seems to be lightweight and portable, ideal for travel or survival scenarios. Backyard Revolution program is easy to make and only required to spend 3 minutes for beginners. Cons. If you miss or skip any steps, sure you cannot get the desired results. Without an internet connection, you cannot access this program. Because it is available only online. Conclusion. Finally, this Backyard Revolution system highly recommends a great method for people to cut their high electricity bills. The best part of the program helps you build a mini power plant. You can save 60% of your electricity bill, keep your home and family safe. As soon as you start lowering your electricity bills by 60%, you like to continue your new journey. Fortunately, the program also cares for you. In addition to the system, you receive its free bonuses. Additionally, a 60-day money-back guarantee is available for your satisfaction. So, grab this Backyard Revolution earlier. Backyard Revolution program download now, and improve your financial life. Just click on the link below.